What was I saying? Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today, we're going to be doing this look right here. Yes. Now, these are all new products that I have on my face. I'm going to tell you what I think about them. And, just going to be honest right up front, I am using, how many? 3 products today that I have affiliate codes with. Links are in the description. I'll let you know right off the back. First one is the Juno&co sponge. It's the fuzzy sponge that you always see, you know, ads for. I forgot what ads were. So I have a 20% code, 20% off link down in the description, just so you guys know, being completely honest right up front. And then I am an affiliate with Mellow Cosmetics, and I am using their palette today, and also their lipstick in Posh, which is literally my favorite color ever. I love this color. So I'm going to be using this palette right here. And then finally, I'm going to be using the Lujo Lashes, and I do have a discount code for 20% off. It's in the description, and these are beautiful lashes. They are made in the UK, so if you're interested, please go ahead and check them out. You know, you guys don't have to use my codes or any links that I have in the description. It's all entirely up to you. It's just there if you want to save a little bit more of money. So yeah, guys, just don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, turn on the notification button so you don't miss a video, and let's get started and go straight into this video.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it.
So to start off this look, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Eye Primer and just tapping it in with my fingers. The palette I'm using today is Sinopia by Mellow Cosmetics, and the first shade I'm going to be using is called Nudie, and I'm going to be applying it all over my crease.
You mean it.
So the next color I'm going to be using is called Brick, and with the smaller blending brush, I'm going to take that color right under my crease color and just blend it out to give my eye more dimension and depth.
But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online and it's not like we need them.
And with a fluffier blending brush, I'm going to be blending those two colors together. The next shade I'm going to be going into is called Merlot, and I'm basically going to focus this shade right in my outer V and blending it into those other two shades.
We don't need them, so can we just slow?
Using my finger, I'm going to be dipping into the color Cinnamon, and this color is going to be my lid color. For liner, I'm going to be using the Euphoria Cosmetics Glam Liner, support them, Latina owned, and for mascara, the Tart Big Ego Vegan Mascara.
The only thing
For lashes, I'm going to be using the Lujo Lashes in the style Troublemaker. For primer, I'm going to be using the Hello Fab Pores Be Gone Matte Primer. Today's foundation is the Becca Ultimate Coverage Foundation in the color Porcelain. Now I know this color is too light for me. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Smashbox Studio Skin Concealer in the shade Light. Now I know this doesn't go too well with the foundation because the foundation is too light for me, but I'm going to make it work.
next to you, we need to slow down.
Okay, so pause for a second. Now, I'm doing my makeup and my foundation is breaking up in different areas on my face. Right here, it's breaking up. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but right here, a little bit on my nose, on my forehead. So, I don't know if it's the foundation, the sponge, because I have used this sponge before with other foundations, not on camera, because it's been a while since I filmed, but like, it's so strange. Why is it doing this? So I'm going to have to try to use the foundation and the primer separately, because it might be a reaction between the two. So I'm going to have to use the foundation with another primer and the primer with another foundation to see, you know, how it really performs. But I must say not the foundation, but I must say that this primer really did blur my pores, and I have some really large pores, like in this area right here. They're really large. And my holy grail primer is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More. I actually need to buy more because I'm almost out. But yeah, it is a good primer, but I don't think it mixed very well with this foundation, but that's okay. I'm gonna make it work. This just happens. Sometimes you try new products and they don't mix well together. It's okay. Just gotta make it work. Alright, now back to my makeup.
For bronzer, I'm going to be using the Milani Silky Matte Bronzer in the shade Sunlight. For blush, I'm going to be going into the Realher Ultimate Glow Getter Cheek Trio palette, and the blush is in the shade Blessed. For my lower lash line, I'm going to be taking the color Merlot and Brick and applying it to my lower lash line, and then blending them out with a clean blending brush. And I can't forget to apply mascara to my lower lash line. Going back into the Ultimate Glow Getter palette, I'm going to be using the highlighter shade that's called Goddess and applying it to the highest points of my face. To outline my lip, I'm going to be using MAC's Edge to Edge Lip Pencil. For lips, I'm going to be using the Mellow Cosmetics Creamy Matte Lipstick in the color Posh.
Now, all this stuff was really great. Obviously, the foundation didn't mix too well with the primer, but that's okay. Sometimes foundations and primers don't always mix. That's fine. You can always use them with something else. I'm not mad about it because it did, in the end, come out not too bad, especially after I put the blush and, you know, a little bit of bronzer. And yeah, I think I made it work. I think I made it work, you know? So yeah, guys, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed today's video because I enjoyed making it, and I hope you really do love it. And as always, subscribe, like, notification button. I know I said that already. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye, guys.